Thanks for the lunch, guys. It was great.
We're gonna go out shopping. You wanna come?
Nah, I'm super exhausted. I need to sleep.
Why don't you go sleep on my couch?
Thanks. I'm so tired. Haha. You guys have fun, though.
Thanks. We will. We'll tell you if we find anything interesting.
Good night, Lilith.
All right, off to sleep. Now, what to watch? Yo, hey, Riley.
Oh, hi. Do you mind if I sit with you?
Sure, I'm gonna relax. Oh man, that pizza isn't agreeing with me. I'm sorry. Oh man, I don't know what's going on with me tonight.
It's okay. I don't mind.
What do you mean you don't mind? Do you like that sort of thing? Oh my god, you do. Ha ha ha. Oh, Riley. Don't be embarrassed, Riley. I don't think it's that weird. Hey, Riley, lay down. I've got something for you. Well, Riley, what did you think? Wait, here comes one more. Oh shit, I'm sorry, Riley. I'll be back. I gotta change.
So hot.